Welcome to Takeover. In this video we will show you how to make an investment in Takeover. The deposit we have made for the example is 1 Bitcoin. As you can see, the system indicates that you send an amount greater than 1 Bitcoin. Those are the fees that the Bitcoin network charges for the transaction. The amount of Bitcoin network fees is variable depending on when the transaction is made and does not depend on Takeover. Once the Bitcoin network verifies the transaction, a Bitcoin appears in our deposit wallet. To make the investment, we must transfer from our deposit wallet to the investment that we want to make. From our dashboard we will access investments. Takeover has 3 different investment plans. The first is Loan 15. The minimum investment for this plan is 0.001 Bitcoin and maximum 0.02 Bitcoins. This investment will bring us a daily profit of 0.5% for 200 days, which is equal to a monthly profit of 15%. At the end of the 200-day period, we will receive the capital contributed in the investment. The second plan is Loan 20. The minimum investment for this plan is 0.02 Bitcoins and a maximum of 0.4 Bitcoins. This investment will bring us a daily profit of 0.66% for 150 days, which is equal to a monthly profit of 20%. At the end of the 150-day period, we will receive the capital contributed in the investment. The third plan is Loan 25 and it is the one we will invest in this example. The minimum investment is 0.4 Bitcoins and a maximum of 1 Bitcoin. In this example we will invest a full Bitcoin in this plan. This investment will bring us a daily profit of 0.83% for 120 days, which is equal to a monthly profit of 25%. At the end of the 120-day period, we will receive the capital contributed in the investment. To make the investment, click on Invest Now. We select the wallet from which we want to make the investment. In this case we select the deposits wallet, which is where we have funds deposited. We indicate the amount we want to invest. In this example we will invest a Bitcoin. Finally we confirm by clicking on If and our investment would be made. The system tells us the plan in which we have invested, the return on investment, which in this case is 0.0083 Bitcoins per day, for 120 days plus the capital contributed at the end of the 120 days of investment. In receipt appears 0 for 0.0083 Bitcoins. This means that of the 120 investment days we are on day 0. As the days go by, the number of days our invested capital has been multiplied by the daily Bitcoins we receive will appear, giving the result of the Bitcoins we have received for this investment to date. In the next payment, it indicates the time that remains for the system to settle the daily interest to our interest wallet. Thank you for choosing Takeover.